Hey everyone, I had someone ask if there was a way to order the columns here, and absolutely there is. What you do is you go to Preferences, add your own columns, and then right here, the ones that are checked, those are ones that I'm actually using, and these ones that are unchecked are ones I'm not. So they're ones that I've used maybe before a virtual library to kind of narrow things down. Um, but how you do this is you click on the one you want to highlight or to move, and you just click your up or your down button. See? So now it's there. If you want to add another column, go here. It gives you quick create up here, or you can look up another one. Um, Here's where do you want it to go, and then you can put your own description here, and then show check marks like these ones, which are handy. So that's how you would add, or if you want to get rid of one entirely, you go here and you go, see, and it's gone. All right. So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the messages in the comments, and I'll get right to it. Thanks. Bye.